Confusion in the Starpoint High School wrestling case continues tonight. Earlier this year, two students on the Starpoint varsity wrestling team received a notice of emergency removal after allegations of sexual harassment were made against them.
One of those students and the parents of another student filed a suit in state court in February. That civil case is happening while the students are also facing charges of harassment. Our Tara Lynch has updates on both cases. Tara?
Well, Dave and Kelsey, this civil case is back in state court after Starpoint schools tried to move it to federal court. I sat down with an attorney representing one of the students who says he's still waiting for a key piece of the puzzle from the Starpoint school district.
To this day, I do not know one way or the other whether the alleged victim has specifically identified my client as his assailant or as a bully or someone who's harassed him. I still don't know that.
Attorney Kevin Burke represents one of the accused students and says the school district is required to complete a safety and risk assessment in order to remove them from class. He says he doesn't have that investigation.
You would think that if the sheriff's department concluded that our clients were sexual assaulters or bullies, that there would have been a criminal charge coming. There wasn't, so you can draw whatever conclusion you will from that.
That all the factors were considered as far as charging a more serious offense, even a crime, and with everything involved and with the victim, it was determined that a lower charge would be more appropriate.
Attorney Terry Connors is not affiliated with this case, but says it's confusing because the school district is alleging sexual misconduct, while the sheriff's office did not charge the students with any sexual crime.
On the one hand, Ange DeMillo and Kevin Burke want to force the judge to overturn an administrative decision by the school district. They have that right. That's in Article 78. And on the other hand, you have the school district who says, well, we're following our own rules and regulations, and we are doing what we think is right, but we're not going to tell you exactly what it is we're going to do. We're not going to tell you the basis for it or tell you what the facts are. And that's what breeds the confusion.
The two accused students will return to court in 2 weeks. They will appear for the second-degree harassment violations in both the town of Pendleton and Wheatfield. On April 25th, they will appear in state court with the hopes that they can be reinstated as full-time students at Starpoint. We did reach out to the Starpoint School District for comment and have not heard back tonight. For now in studio, Tara Lynch, News 4.